Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using LessAccounting. LessAccounting is a simple solution for small business finances. LessAccounting offers a streamlined approach to bookkeeping and tax preparation specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. Unlike complex accounting software, LessAccounting prioritizes essential features, allowing users to dedicate more time to business growth and less time grappling with financial management. This software automates key accounting tasks, including expense tracking, income categorization, and professional invoice creation. It simplifies account reconciliation by supporting bank transaction imports, eliminating manual data entry. A notable feature is the integrated mileage tracker, invaluable for users needing to track business travel expenses for tax deduction purposes. Furthermore, LessAccounting integrates with popular payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, facilitating seamless invoice payments. Tax preparation is simplified through the generation of comprehensive financial reports. Profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow summaries provide the necessary data for accurate tax filing or for sharing with your accountant. Data exportability to tax-specific software ensures workflow flexibility. LessAccounting boasts a clean, minimalistic, and user-friendly interface, making it accessible even to those without prior accounting experience. Its focus on simplicity avoids overwhelming users with unnecessary features or complex jargon. This makes it a perfect fit for solopreneurs and small business owners seeking straightforward financial management. LessAccounting offers transparent pricing tailored to small businesses. While it might not include the advanced features found in more robust accounting software, its simplicity is its core strength. It provides all the essential tools a small business requires without the added complexity. In summary, LessAccounting is an excellent choice for freelancers and small business owners who value ease of use and efficient bookkeeping and tax preparation. It's a simple, intuitive, and effective solution for fundamental financial management. If you're seeking a hassle-free accounting solution, explore the links in the description below to learn more about LessAccounting.